Hi guys, Becki-licious here. This morning I decided I wanted to have blueberry pancakes because I love blueberry pancakes and these are the most amazing blueberry pancakes. So we're making breakfast this morning, so let's do it. We are going to start with our dry ingredients first. And this is really a simple recipe. That's what I love about this. So we're going to get our flour in here, 2 cups of flour. And then we're going to put a little bit of sugar, 2 tablespoons to be exact, if anybody's keeping count. Okay, let's get some good healthy tablespoons. Okay. And then our salt, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and then our baking powder. Yep, I got up this morning and I just thought, you know what? How long has it been since I've had me a really good blueberry pancake? Wet ingredients. Our wet ingredients are buttermilk, hence the name, buttermilk pancakes. We want to make sure we get all of that out. And then we've got some melted butter. It's about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to put that in there. And then we've got our eggs. So we've got 2 eggs that we're going to get in here. And then we're going to get these whisked all together, okay? So, hey, while we're doing this, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Definitely click on the link tree for some other fun stuff, okay? All right, our wet ingredients are all mixed up, so we are going to add them into our dry ingredients. And we're going to get this all fully incorporated. We don't want to do too much. Don't overmix. All right, so we have our wet and our dry all incorporated. Now we're going to add in our blueberries very gently. And then it'll be time to let this kind of rest a little bit while we go over and we get our griddle going and get it all nice and hot. All right, let's get our buttermilk blueberry pancakes on the griddle. They're gonna be so good. I just know it. Filled with blueberry yumminess. All right, there we go. Now we gotta let these puppies cook up, okay? These blueberry pancakes smell so good. We're ready to flip them over. Are you ready? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, baby. These are going to be yummy. Oh, yummy. Yum, yum, yum. These blueberry pancakes are ready to come off of the grill. Oh, my goodness. Look at how yummy these look. All right, so we are ready to plate up and have some pancakes. Blueberry pancakes are ready to go. We just need a little bit of butter, of course, on the top because, you know, butter, hello. Boy, oh boy, doesn't that look yummy? Little tiny bit of syrup going on just for yum, yum. Doesn't that just look so pretty? There you go. Weekend morning, blueberry pancakes for breakfast. Nothing better than that, is it? So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys had fun because I know I did. And I'm going to have even more fun when I eat these. So I look forward to seeing you guys next time, okay? Bye.